Today we have one amazing car right here for you all. It is a one of one, straight from dealership, not auction, not accidented. I said straight from dealership, and I am here with Vani. Vani, what do you have?
We have 2022 Chevrolet Suburban.
So Vani, how much is this car going for?
Oh, don't worry, it's a premium affordable car.
Really?
Yes.
What do you have under the hood?
Okay, it has a 5.3 V8 engine.
I would like to see this engine.
Oh, you're free.
Let's go!
Engine.
Yo!
So you can actually see this. The car is very amazing.
Bro, I love this car.
It has 20-inch alloy wheels, dark color. So let's see the interior.
Bro, look at the interior of this beast. I love this car.
So this is the Android system. It has Google Automotive Services.
Wow.
Yes.
How many inches is this screen?
This is 10.2 inch.
10.2. That's amazing.
Yeah, this is amazing. And that's the Google Maps there.
Right here.
Of course. So
I
it actually
love
takes you
this.
everywhere you need to go. Just log in your Google account, you're good to go. This is the home here. This is the Wi-Fi
Okay.
hotspot connection. When you go to my Chevrolet, that's where you connect your account.
Let us know the price. Like, how much is this car going for?
It's not going to cut your your legs. So this is the mileage there,
What's the mileage?
26,152 kilometers. And that's the storage box here.
Two cup holders right here. It doesn't have any transmission. You have just the buttons right here to tap on. You have the park, reverse, neutral, drive. That's amazing. Then you have your charging port in there.
Everything. Yeah, you really got
This is amazing.
this.
How many seater is it?
This is 7-seater.
Can we check the back seat also?
So this is the back seat. 3-seater at the back seat, 2 at the middle, and 2 in the front. This is fit for you and your family. You can usually go on trips with this car.
How many cameras?
Like I said, this is 360.
360.
Yeah, it covers the whole vehicle.
That's amazing. You
Yes.
literally can even see your future. Oh, this is amazing.
How do you see
2022.
this is very nice, and the back seat is very spacious.
Wow.
You can see.
You can literally put everything, like the whole Ghana right here.
Exactly.
That's amazing, man. I love this
So
car.
you can just put everything here.
You didn't tell us about the price. Like, I want to know about the price before we continue.
Okay, this is going for 1.6 million.
1.6 million Ghana cedis.
Exactly.
1.6 million Ghana
Is
cedis.
that too much?
Bro, I
Okay.
love this
So
car.
you can see.
How do you close it?
Just that. You can see.
Why it's like this?
Yeah.
This is amazing, bro. I love this car. So that was just it. 2022 Chevrolet Suburban, just 1.6 million Ghana cedis. In other Western currencies, check right here. In other African country currencies, check right here. If you want to see where you post all our affordable and premium cars, go and check our Telegram page. What's the name of the Telegram page?
Luxury guy.
Luxury guy. The link, if you are watching on TikTok, check in the bio, or Instagram, check in the bio. If you are watching on Facebook, check in the comment section. The link is there. Tap on it and go and join. Then you see all the affordable and luxurious cars we have for you all.